A group of Northwest Side community residents are making a loud statement that community health centers matter, especially the one at their area high school. I hopped over to Steinmetz High School as they made a donation to Good Health. Members of the Belmont-Cragen community are giving back to a school-based health center they say gives the community so much.
Hey, we're part of the community, we're neighbors, and we're here to help each other.
We really thought it was a need to come together.
Pete Kalanick is a resident of the neighborhood and a Chicago police officer. He, along with some of his friends and neighbors, are footing a $1,000 donation to the PCC Community Wellness Center at Steinmetz High School. It's one of only 12 community health clinics in the city running out of a Chicago public school.
In terms of undiagnosed mental health illnesses that I see at work, this is a great opportunity to help some folks. I think if the city makes a greater investment in that type of services provided to our young people, that the city will just be stronger moving forward.
The donation comes during National School-Based Healthcare Awareness Month. PCC in particular offers mental health and substance abuse services.
We have many adolescents who come to us without their parent, who's scared, who's nervous, and who's afraid. And myself, as well as my whole team, we do everything that we can to make these students feel comfortable and feel safe.
And this clinic goes beyond hallways and classrooms. They open their doors to anyone living in the area, offering pay-as-you-can and sliding fee discount plans for low-income patients.
This is on the Northwest Side, it's in the school, and it's not only helping, it's helping the students and the community at the same time, and I think that that's something that, if you see the facility, it's something special.
There is an intentional effort among the city and CPS and health partners to really target school health center services to communities that have less access to healthcare services.
City leaders have taken notice.
This big structure that's here in the middle of the community is really like a community center. And then now that we've added this medical component to it, we're inviting the community in to utilize the space.
And Steinmetz staff say they're thankful to spread wellness to the neighborhood they call home.
Oh, this project has been fantastic. It's really, in a way it feels like the way it should always be.
Brandon, this is definitely a very empowering and an important story to tell, specifically for our communities who don't necessarily take health to that level. Like, my dad would never be like, I'm going to go to the doctor because I don't feel good. You know what I mean?
Right.
And this story, points out the importance of all of that stuff.
Yeah, majorly important. It's great to see people, just neighbors, coming together and saying, hey, let's do something about this, casually taking it upon themselves to make an impact in their communities. And that's an area that could really use it itself. And if you want to learn more about the PCC Health Center at Steinmetz and the work they do, we're going to have links to more information at thejmtvshow.com.